Hello and welcome to the Tarot card for Saturday, or whenever you're watching this video. The card that we have for today is the Ace of Cups. And that's again a gift from the universe, a present from the universe, and that's in the area of cups. That's about feelings, relationships, and spirituality. And here the children are very happy about winning the cup. And also we can be happy, we can be proud of what we have achieved last week, or even what we achieved today on this Saturday. The spiritual world is supporting us, here depicted by this fairy in the front. And also cups is about spirituality, and as I've said before, also about relationships and feelings. So it's high time for all of those, also with the energy still of the full moon in Gemini. That's also the full moon of communication. Have a wonderful time.